everybody. I'm Dr. Akshita Sarin. I have completed my MBBS from Government Medical College and Hospital, Chandigarh, and have secured an AIR 1228 in this year NEET PG. Let me begin about my journey from the starting. So, the path of my medical journey came to an abrupt halt once I concluded with my fourth prof examination just because I wanted to take some time off. For a moment, I rebound to the time I had begun my UG preparation, afresh and anew. It was again the time to prepare for a competitive examination and to be swept in the whirlpool of finishing syllabus, making revision schedules, making short notes, practicing mock tests, and so on. But the major difference between the UG and PG prep was the amount of syllabus, which was much more overwhelming, and I didn't find any immediate and appropriate source for giving the mock tests and short notes. That was still a long way to go. My muddled mind finally gave way to some clearer decisions and solutions once I stumbled across Meteor 2.0 in September last year, which became a turning point in my preparation. Up till then, I used to study some old revision notes, but they were so detailed and I almost found it impossible to complete 19 subjects using them. It felt I was just passively reading them. It didn't help me improve my scores and just demotivated me further. But with a single glance at the PTR workbook, it made me realize that this and only this can be the key to cracking the NEET PG entrance examination if used in the most effective manner. So I started studying the resource. I started listening to ma'am's videos in the very apt way she guides us to, using the best mnemonics and using the best learning method, active recall. I started giving the regular subject-wise test, and although I was not scoring well initially, but the detailed discussion of every question of every test was just as fruitful as the lecture on that particular topic. So by February-March, my internship was almost over and I sat down for a full-fledged study routine. I started adding stuff to my BTR in order to make it a single handy resource for my final preparation for the entrance examination. I also joined the 4-day offline BTR course in Delhi, and in which ma'am had summarized all the high-yielding points of all the subjects in a very beautiful manner. And I was completely awestruck and mesmerized to see ma'am live and her relentless and untiring ability to teach with such great interest. And she seems to pass on this passion of learning to her students as well. Over and above, Vidya Jeevan had provided such a pleasant and learning experience and all the basic amenities in our reach so that aspirants like us don't have to worry about anything else and we could just focus on our main goal. May came and I gave my first entrance examination INESET and I secured a rank of 1049, which I didn't expect considering I started quite late. But I was sure about one thing, that BTR was the key to it and I was definitely on the right track for my next entrance examination, NEET PG. With the news of postponement and with more than a month at my disposal, I started thoroughly following ma'am's schedule. I started doing the test and discussion series of ma'am, watching her extra edge videos, giving weekly grand tests and analyzing my mistakes and going through the weak topics and trying to complete around 3 to 4 revisions just before the final examination. And I relied majorly on the Mega NEET BTR series and the Choti copy in the last few days of my preparation. I wasn't alone during those 3.5 duration of my final NEET PG examination. I always had those echoing words of ma'am, constantly motivating me, encouraging me, telling me that you've got this and you can do it. I can't thank ma'am enough from bringing me from nowhere to a decent rank with a ray of guidance and motivation that always stayed close to my heart during the entire journey and uplifting me whenever there were those mental breakdowns that came during this difficult time. My word of thanks seems so insignificant for the amount of belief and support my family members and my mentors, Dr. Zainab Voda ma'am and Dr. Ravi sir, had blessed me with. I owe my success to all of them. Thank you.